Welcome back. Now we can take all of the visuals that we have created in order to give our customer a handout within a presentation document. And we can do that very easily by going into our presentation software. And the process is going to be very similar within Google Slides. What you're going to do is we're going to go to our insert command. We're then going to insert a photo album. We're then going to click on New Photo Album. We're going to insert the picture from the folder of screenshots that we just created. We're going to select all the images and click Insert. What we're then going to do is we're going to make sure that the picture fits into the slide, and we're going to make it so that it's going to be one picture with a title per slide. We're then going to make sure that we use a specific theme. If we click the Browse button, if we want a plain white background, we're going to use the Office theme. What we're then going to do is we're going to click Create. Optionally, we can place captions below all of the pictures, and we can make it so that all of our pictures are going to be black and white. We can then click Create. And what you'll then see is that each image is going to be available on an individual slide. What you can then do is to save your presentation, and you will then have a system of handouts for your customer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.